All right. Hold that for 1 second, my friend. Can you tell the folks at home what you're doing today?
No.
Why not? You're filing your taxes? Is that what you're doing? It is tax season. You're in a Lamborghini LP 610. Huh? Oh, hold on. Oh, you gotta start it first. That's the window, if you want to put it up. You gotta hold it, sir. Pull it back like this. There you go.
Oh my god.
Lamborghini on track.
I'm begging you, please, bro.
Alrighty. Whee!
Please, please, please.
Alright, where's the launch button?
No, please stop.
Okay. Daddy, I'm gonna go half speed. You're in charge. I'm not here to hurt you or mess with you or anything like that. So we're the only ones on the track, right? So look around. But watch, I'm gonna give the throttle just a little bit and the car jumps. Watch this. See how it pulls?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This freaking thing.
Second gear, second gear. So it's instant. And when you turn the wheel, the car just turns. See? See, it's simple, it's safe, and you turn the wheel.
Do you guys have any Bugattis at all?
Nah, they cost a little bit too much to make money off of them in rental. It'd have to be like $10,000 in rental.
Cause
Give it some gas. You ready?
No.
Third, we're doing
Holy
60.
Frick.
So that was.
I like the sound of that. The sound of that right there.
We just did 60 there. We can do 80 next time, okay?
No.
No? No fast?
No 80. Just 60, okay?
Well, that's only part throttle. So we're going very slow. Watch this. A little bit faster.
Frick.
Look.
Oh my god. Dude, that freaking sounds good.
Well, the only way to make it do that is to go fast.
I know.
So watch this. See how it turns up the hill? Going up the hill. Can we go faster?
Goodness. No.
No faster?
No.
Don't floor it? Okay. Part throttle. Here's half. Half throttle.
Holy crap.
Now I gotta go, unless you want me to do one more, but I'm gonna floor it the last time. It's up to you.
How about we do 3?
We can, but I gotta go faster.
Actually, we could do 4.
Well, well listen, 3's good enough.
Okay, fine.
We're gonna go faster. You ready?
Yep.
Watch this. Good brakes. See how good the brakes are?
Yeah, these brakes are good.
That's what makes a sports car. Being able to slow down allows you to stay on the gas longer. Now we're gonna get the straightaway. We're gonna go a little bit faster, okay? Okay, you ready?
Yep, I guess.
Yeah, okay, good. I asked. Got your permission, and let's go.
Holy god.
There's 80. Oh, and there's no
Holy
water.
crap. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That was cool.
There we go.
Do it one more time.
All right. Hold that.
One more. We could do that one more time.
Okay.
Wee-hoo. Wee.
Coming of age tale. One boy, one Lamborghini. They fall in love. Yeah, I love this car.
Yeah. My stepdad was gonna like take me in.
It's a Lamborghini, man. It's just a fast car.
Yeah, my stepdad.
Simple, safe, careful.
Yeah, that was fun.
Lamborghini pitting, Lamborghini pitting.
What does that mean?
What do you pit? You put it into the pit where the car sits. We're done.
Ah. That was fun.
Yeah. I'm not a liar.
My dad asked me to take a picture in the McLaren.
Maybe if you have your camera. Do you have a camera?
My dad has his phone on him.
We'll get it.
Okay.
I'm gonna walk you back there, okay?
Yeah.
This is reverse. You pull this up for reverse.
Okay. This?
Yep. That's reverse. And you hit that, puts it forward. Yeah.
Whoa.
That's it. That's how you drive the car.
Now that is cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you're getting it.
I've always wanted to do that before.
That's neutral. P for park. Park. This one. And then turn it off the same way you turned it on. All right.
Here you go.
Say goodbye.
Bye.